You know that excitement when a new camera rumor drops and instantly grabs your attention? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now with Canon's upcoming EOS R7 Mark II. After months of silence, fresh leaks and insider buzz suggest that Canon is preparing something truly special, something that could hit the perfect balance for both photographers and content creators. The original R7 was already a favorite in the APS-C lineup, but the Mark II looks like a real game changer. Rumors point to a 33-40 megapixel APS-C stacked CMOS sensor, delivering faster readout speeds and drastically reducing rolling shutter issues. In other words, perfect for action, wildlife, and sports shooters. Add Canon's Digic X processor with a new Digic accelerator, and you get lightning-fast image processing, smarter autofocus, and overall smoother performance. But the real headline? Canon may ditch the mechanical shutter altogether. Instead, we could see a blazing 40 FPS electronic shutter. That means silent shooting with crazy burst speeds, ideal for capturing those once-in-a-lifetime shots without ever missing a beat. Of course, speed means nothing without stability. The R7 Mark II is rumored to pack 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, giving creators the freedom to shoot handheld in low light or capture buttery smooth video without relying on extra gear. Speaking of video, this is where things get wild. Leaks suggest 4K 120 FPS with Canon Log 3, possible 6K 120 FPS, and even 8K 60 FPS recording. Pair that with in-body stabilization and active cooling, and the R7 Mark II starts looking like a true hybrid beast for both filmmakers and vloggers. Canon isn't cutting corners on usability either. Expect an upgraded body with a grip inspired by the EOS R5 Mark II, an AF joystick for precision, and dual card slots, CF Express Type B plus UHS-2 SD. It's built for reliability whether you're shooting a wedding, a documentary, or your next YouTube video. Now, let's talk release date. Some insiders hinted at a possible September 2025 reveal during IBC, but Canon rarely launches mirrorless cameras at that show. More realistically, leaks point to a Q4 2025 announcement, sometime between October and December. Waiting might be tough, but if these specs hold true, the R7 Mark II could be worth every second. As for price, expect the body to land between $1,799 and $199.99, with kit options pushing closer to $2,100 to $2,500. A bit higher than the original, but justified given the massive internal upgrades and current import tariffs. Bottom line, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II looks like a dream APS-C mirrorless camera, fast, versatile, and packed with features designed for modern creators. If you've been waiting for a serious step up in Canon's APS-C lineup, this might just be the camera of 2025, so what excites you the most, the 40 FPS shutter, the 8.5 stop stabilization, or the possibility of 8K video? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more leaks, reviews, and deep dives into the latest camera tech.